Hello friends, today in this video, I will show you how to change your Instagram password. It is a very simple process. You just need to follow every step with me carefully. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Now let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile and then click on your profile icon, which is right below. Right on your profile page, click on this menu bar, go ahead and click on Account Center. On this page, scroll a little bit and stop at Passwords and Security, then click on it. You can see the option to change passwords showing, so click on it. Here I have only a single account, but if you have multiple accounts, then choose the account for which you want to change the password. Click on it and go ahead. On this page, you have to first put your old password, but if you don't remember your old password, then click on Forget Password. This will send a message or email to your mobile or email, and you can recover it from there. But if you are not able to do that, then comment below, and I will make a video on that. Alright friends, let's come to the topic. After entering your old password, set a new password in the second box, and then put the same password in the third box for confirmation. Alright, I think you have filled all the boxes. Now, if someone else has used your account, then make sure that this box is ticked. It will log you out from other devices. After this, just click on Change Password and wait here for a few seconds. Now, friends, see that I have changed my Instagram account password successfully. So just go back to your profile. This is how anyone can change Instagram passwords so easily. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, my friend.